Hi guys, this is Sukriti. Welcome back to my channel. Now in this video I'll be telling you how you can use a single dupatta to make 7 new tops. So for the first one, you put the dupatta on one side of your shoulder, take rest of the fabric, mingle it in, tie a rough knot, then tuck the extra fabric inside the top, the crop top that you are wearing, pull both the ends of the dupatta and tie a proper knot at the back, and this is how it will look. Now one suggestion is to take the same color dupatta and crop top. For the second look, you take the dupatta like so, like cover your body with the dupatta like I have done. Keep the crop top that way and pull the fabric from behind and tie a knot at one side of yeah. And this is how it will look. I really like this one. Let me know in the comments if you like it too. Now for the third one, you put the dupatta on one side of your shoulder. Keep twisting it. So what you have to do is you have to put the dupatta exactly like you put your chunni when you're wearing a suit, and then just twist the fabric in between. Pull the rest of the fabric that is behind and bring it to the front and tuck it in, just like I have done, and this will be another new top of yours. Looks really nice from the back too. Now for the fourth look, you put the dupatta on one side, take rest of the fabric and keep twisting it at one side, bring it to the front, bring both the ends to the front, tie a knot, and then mingle them to form something like that of a rose. So you will have one-sided sleeved rose knot top sort of a thing. I can't really name the top, but yeah, I liked it. Now for the fifth top, you take the fabric again on one side, twist it just the way you did in the previous video, roll the fabric, put one end of the fabric to cover the top from half the part. Half the part you are covering with one-sided dupatta and half the part you are covering with the rest of the fabric that was there. Now you bring the other end and tuck that inside the top, and you can keep the sleeve one shoulder thing like this, or you can pull the strap and make it like proper one-sided strappy top like so. I really like the look that it has on the back. I loved it. It's so cute. Now for the sixth top, you wear your dupatta like I have done. I can't really verbally explain it to you, but just see and do it. Now you take both the ends and keep twirling them, twisting them till the time you are able to tie a rose in front, a big rose knot that would be. So the previous one I guess was really wearable for everyone. Now you take the dupatta, cross it over on your neck, tuck rest of the roll both the sides and tuck it inside your top and secure it with a knot at the back, and this is how it will look. The top will look. I really like this one as well. Now just one thing before I end this video, and I know belly fat is a huge concern. I do have it thanks to lockdown, but don't let it deprive you of the fun. Keep wearing whatever you want to. I'll see you next time. Bye.